The world's first gear-driving planetary system floor grinding machine launched in the end of 20th century, which applied full handmade gear driving system to change the single belt driving situation in the floor grinding machine history. This creativity design not only brings world-shaking changes for the global floor grinding machines, but also brings out a new most competitive company, Shanghai TUOMEI Machinery. At the same time, TUOMEI establishes its top position in the international industry. 10 years difficulties and hardships already make Shanghai TUOMEI develop into a strong modernized enterprise integrating production, sales, product research, development, import and export. In 2010, Creation Machine, a professional floor machine manufacturer in America, strategically cooperates with TUOMEI Machinery by introducing forming advanced laser concrete screeding machines and laser concrete grinding machines. Shanghai TUOMEI is the first company to perfect system equipment in this industry. We set up 2 manufacturing bases in China, which occupy 30,000 square meters space. The production capacity is one of the 3 largest global manufacturers. TUOMEI reaches 60% of industrial flooring market and 65% of high-end stone flooring market. Therefore, it gets the leading manufacturing level in the China flooring industry. We are the first to introduce high-tech process equipment from abroad and adopt the whole data-controlled manufacturing process, as well as robot-used automatic manufacturing system manipulation, so as to make great progress in non-personnel production. TUOMEI specializes mainly in floor construction system machines, such as concrete laser preparation machine, concrete laser grinding machine, concrete laser cutting machine, telecontrol and hand-control grinding machine, and industrial vacuum cleaner. Leading industry development, displaying Chinese creativity, TUOMEI undertakes the mission to promote a manufacturer level for Chinese floor equipment and product development. It is our consistent pursuit to establish our top brand of international floor industry equipment in the world. Relies on the enterprise's own ability to promote industrial development. Since the establishment, TUOMEI Company has focused on the overseas development of the latest equipment and related technology in this industry, according to the needs of industry at home and abroad. TUOMEI builds products and application technology to get used to domestic and international market. TUOMEI Company not only focuses on the hardware facilities of the development, but also pays more attention to industry application technology and culture popularization to guide the healthy and orderly development of industry. The practical innovation provides the customer most competitive equipment. Practicality, conscientious, key of our development. TUOMEI Company always pays attention to the development tendency, completes every basic research earnestly, makes all effort to the reality of the enterprise development, conforms to the actual development mentality and the action prominently, serves for enterprise development truth. After years of unremitting innovations, TUOMEI Company has successively gained many patents in this area and promoted our development unceasingly. TUOMEI Company effectively extends their flexibility to the innovation, maintains enterprise's vigor, makes the innovation foundation, provides the most competitive equipment throughout for the customer. Coexistence, co-prosperity with the customers, challenge the world, create the new future. On the basis of quality, TUOMEI Company are anxious for customers, thinking for customers, and working on product development and technology applications to make new contribution for customers and to promote the healthy development of the industry. TUOMEI company makes great effort to the product intellectualization, integration, and high effectiveness led by scientific and technological innovation to solve the bottleneck of industrial development and open enough development space for the customer. Create international brand with premium competitive production cost. Since the establishment, TUOMEI company has strived for making the product with a grand scale, most advanced equipment, most complete specifications, adopting the whole data-controlled manufacturing process, as well as robot automatic manufacturing system manipulation, so as to make great progress in non-personnel production. We always acknowledge reasonable control of human resource cost. Meanwhile, ensuring product capacity and a unified control standard to create high-quality products and establish the international excellent brand top foundation. In the 21st century of economic globalization, with China's flooring industry's development and the industry of culture, today the flooring industry is on the rise. The original traditional labor-intensive work way already cannot adapt to the flooring industry development. The integration, high effectiveness, and intellectualization of machinery and equipment will become the mainstream of the times. In order to better meet the needs of the market, we must introduce advanced technology and strengthen research and development to provide a systematic floor preparation equipment. In 2010, Creation Machine, a professional floor machine manufacturer in America, cooperates with the TUOMEI company machine by introducing foreign advanced technology to form floor system equipment. TUOMEI company is established in Jiangsu, which covers an area of 30,000 square meters production base to provide enough space for the domestic and international floor industry development. During the construction of Shanghai Expo, TUOMEI actively put into key construction project of Expo China Pavilion, which not only changes the old China Pavilion floor design schemes to fully show the green and environmental modernist philosophy, but also acknowledges concrete polishing floor to making strength, hardness, glossiness, and flatness up to top standard to bring a greater shake for Chinese floor industry. TUOMEI floor construction perfectly supports the world floor construction level to be the guide of Chinese floor construction level and highly hold a big banner for setting up floor industry standard. The flatness of high railway beam is the premise of guaranteeing chain stable safety and rapid operation. High-precision beam flatness becomes an important target for high railway running speed and security. Based on the flatness standards, Shanghai TUOMEI introduces laser technology, developing to ride-on laser grinding machine, which runs a fantastic check to support a good basis for increasing train running speed. It satisfies German 4 meters plus or minus 2 millimeters construction standard, and solves the big problem of world high railway construction beam flatness to win greater praises from China high railway leaders and highly recognized by German experts. TUOMEI never stops here. It keeps all-day service philosophy to better serve high railway construction, which writes great poem and history for China high railway construction history. Chinese high railway construction supplies us a great platform for showing Chinese-made ability and creativity. High railway spirit also turns into a spirit of TUOMEI. During the last 10 years, the company has constantly upheld the service idea to go forwards and backwards along with the customers, based on product quality and truth and honesty. We have not only adhered to take the development road of technical innovation, constantly researching and applying new products and technologies, perfecting the industry train and production management, so as to make our products to be the best. We undertook the mission in the industry that we should promote the industrial development at our own ability. It is our consistent pursuit to establish our brand of floor restoration machines in China. We believe we can go beyond ourselves. It is only the products made in China that can conform the global standard. Mechanical equipment made in China will definitely surpass the foreign level to be the best in